So welcome everybody. Today we will discuss another lesson for the AI for productivity module. So basically today's topic is AI for communication. In this lesson we will basically learn about how to transform a simple message for different audiences, or how to deliver a simple message for different types of audience, whether it could be your boss basically, then it could be your client, then it could be your friend, but this message is the same here. Like you have to, like here example is also there. I would like to propose we delay the launch by 1 week to ensure quality. This was the message for boss. Then for client the same message will be, we are making a small adjustment to the timeline to deliver the best possible result for you. Then the for friend will be, hey, pushing the launch back a week, just want to get it right. Now using AI we can do this also, like we can transform the same message or deliver the same message for different audiences. So let's see how we can do that with the help of AI. Let's today I'm using Google Gemini. Actually I try to use many applications so that I will cover many type of AI tools and application in my course. So I try to use new and new applications every time. So this time we are using Gemini. So I have already written a message. Basically we have a message like, we need, here is the message which we want to convert to for different audiences. We want for different responses. So we need to push the product launch back by 2 weeks. The quality isn't where we want it. So this is a simple message we have to deliver to different audience. Now my audience today is my boss, then basically my client, and the third one is friend come colleague. So let's see what prompt we have written. Below is the message. I need to send this message to my boss in a professional tone and also with proper responsibility. Then I need to send the same message to the client with proper professional tone plus sorry feeling. Then I also have to send the below message to my friend come colleague. So provide all the three versions. So I have clearly defined the message and all the requirements I need. So now we will just hit the submit button and let's wait for all the three versions. So the first version, let's wait for the full response. So yes, it has given us the full response. So let's read one by one. For boss, it has provided in a very professional tone. Then subject is basically proposed adjustment to product name we will mention, then launch timeline. So hi boss, I want to provide an important update regarding our upcoming product launch. After a thorough review of the current build, I have determined that the quality does not yet meet our internal standards. To ensure we deliver a high quality product that aligns with our brand reputation, I recommend pushing the launch date back by 2 weeks. I take full responsibility for the adjustment and am currently realigning the team's focus to resolve the remaining bottlenecks. I will send over a revised timeline and a brief breakdown of our action plan by the end of the day today. Please let me know if you have any questions or would like to discuss this in more detail. So this is the version for boss. Now let's read our original version which we gave. So we need to push the product launch back by 2 weeks. The quality isn't where we want it. So if I like send this message to my boss, so it will be like an ego issue. Like I am not telling, I am just showing my ego. Like we have to like just simply push by 2 weeks. Like he will think like we don't care about timelines and things. So he might get like angry on these things. So but after like sending this kind of response to the boss, he will like understand like there might be like a huge problem. So that's why basically the delay happened. So he will understand that. Now the version for client will be like, here we have to feel the sorry as his work got delayed. So I am writing to share an important update regarding the upcoming launch of product name. We have made the difficult decision to adjust our launch schedule and push the release back by 2 weeks. During our final quality assurance check, we identified areas that require further refinement. Our top priority is delivering a flawless, high-performing product and the current build is not yet where we want it to be for your launch. Please accept our sincere apologies for any inconvenience or disruption this delay may cause to your plans. We deeply value your partnership and want to ensure that what we deliver exceeds your expectation. We will keep you closely updated on our progress over the next fortnight. If you have any immediate concerns or would like to hop on a quick call to discuss the revised rollout, please let me know. Now this is a message where if we send this message to a client would also understand that they are sincerely working on my project and they are sincerely working and there might be a serious issue. That's why they have mailed me and they have also said apologies in the message, so he will understand that. But if I send this message to the client like we need to push the product launch by 2 weeks, the quality isn't where we want it, so he will get angry and he might get our relations get in trouble with the client. So this the AI in this way can help you to maintain or to basically communicate in difficult situations to various audiences. Now for a friend come colleague, we can basically directly contact to him because he is a friend come colleague. So basically here it is also like casual, direct and collaborative answer the AI provided. Just wanted to give you a heads up that we are officially pushing the product launch back by 2 weeks. The quality isn't just where it needs to be right now and we need the extra time to iron out the creases. It's going to be busy couple of weeks getting this over the finish line, but we have got this. Let us sync up later today or grab some coffee to chat about how we want to tackle the next steps. So this is a message for friend come colleague. So in this section we saw how to convert basically a simple message for different audiences. You can use any kind of AI application here. I have used Gemini in this lecture. So after this, let's recap the module. Let's have a summary of the module, like what we did in this module and all. So module recap. So first we did we used AI for writing, like writing emails, proposals, making documents. In those cases we used Claude, Gemini, both. Then and ChatGPT also we used. Then we had research faster. Then we did basically we pasted a document in the Claude and asked some insights from that document or summary from that document. We can also paste the article links, various things we can paste and ask the Claude to provide a proper research on that or a summary on that article. Then we analyzed data like the Excel spreadsheet data with the help of Gemini and plus the Claude also. We pasted a simple Excel file in that and asked whether there is an unusual trend in the data. If you can recognize, then please tell. Then we use Gemini to change the formatting. You can watch all the sections of my this module and I will attach all the sections in the you will get all the sections, or you can watch previous videos, previous days videos, and you will get the brief of all the sections. Then we have AI is a thought partner of planning, not the final decision maker. Like in planning also you can use AI. Suppose you are planning to learn a new skill. Suppose you are planning to learn to become an AI engineer. So what you will do, you will ask the Claude or any type of AI application you use. You will ask the Claude or any type of application you use that I want to become an AI engineer or I want to prepare for an AI engineer. Please tell me a 1 year plan on what things I should focus on which coding languages I should focus on which concepts I should focus on, what kind of projects I should do. So all these things will get cleared with the Claude or any type of AI application you use. After that we have reuse one message across many audiences by adjusting, how to convert a simple message for different audiences. We did that in this session. So this basically completes this module, which was AI for work and productivity. And in the next module we are ready to start up with AI for creativity. Now AI for creativity means we will deal with many tools regarding image generation, video generation, then image generation, video generation, voice generation, voice over generations and all. We will see many kind of tools in that. So that's all for today, and I hope you are also good, and I will meet you in the next session. Thank you.